Alright, so I finally got the stuff I've been waiting for in the mail for like, I want to say going on 3 months from AliExpress. I had never had experience like that before where it takes that long, but I'm gonna just blame it on the pandemic. I didn't bring anything with me to open them up, so I might have to do that thing where they go. Alright, so there you have it. Somehow magically opened up. Yeah, this package here was pretty smashed, but let's see all that came in there. I think this will be the hair clipper. Uh, let's see. These are the ones I ordered. Yeah, like I said, almost 3 months. Oh, it got the USB. That's nice. And here they go. Kemei. Alright, so these are the model KM-2010. And these. Alright. Oh, they charged all the way. I thought you couldn't ship stuff fully charged. But I appreciate you. These feel good and they sound good. They're not loud. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. That's real good. I'm hoping to just use these. Hopefully preserve my magic clips because them things were expensive. So I'll definitely do a sound comparison with the magic clip. And I will also do a weight comparison. I got a scale at home. So whenever I make it over there, I'll put these on the scale and compare them to the magic clip because most of you guys probably have a magic clip and you'll know what they would somewhat feel like. These are not metal. They look metal. They feel so good though. They don't feel cheap or nothing, man. These are pretty good. Let's see what came in the other package. So I ordered both of these in the same day, and I got them on the same day. So, but so they came in a case. That's nice. These are the shavers. I had already bought a Kemei shavers, but the reason why I bought this pair after. Also, it come with 2 heads, man. That's what's up. So the reason why I got these is because of that, and it tell you how much battery you got left. I don't know about the RPM thing. Where is it? I ain't gonna be using that. I'm gonna leave these at 75, and they ain't gonna move from there. Man, that's real dope. This I don't like. This is also on the other Kemei I have. I don't like that, but I mean, I ain't gonna be using that. I might even super glue that down so I don't ever accidentally flip that up. So I'll be super gluing that down, Gorilla Glue, and let's take a look again. I wonder why they would do that. Okay, so I just noticed one thing. It resets back to 70. I guess every time you turn it off, you gotta put it back to 75. No biggie, no biggie. I like them. That's cool. Yeah, I'm just glad I finally got these, man. So the shavers, digital shavers, and the trimmers with the, or the clippers with the digital screen, 98%. Man, I'm excited about these, really. We're gonna take a look at the weight for these clippers, and I'll tell you that I would compare it with the Magic Clip. So Magic Clip, let's put these in grams. Magic Clip weighs 288 grams. Let's take a look at the Kemei's. Kemei's 341 grams. Let's compare with a couple more. These are CHJ Pros Magic Clip clones. And these suckers, 270 grams. Oh, thought I was gonna drop that. 273. So these two are somewhat alike. This is the heavy one. And let's put these. Let's put this in pounds. Just about 3/4 of a pound. 12 ounces. It's not that heavy. Like, it's not a big difference to where you can tell when you're holding them. But when you're looking at numbers, it is a big difference. But in their hands, it doesn't feel different. They feel the same. Maybe a slight the slight difference. But so I did say I was gonna do a sound comparison. So let's start with the magic clip first. And now these are my favorite. These sound horrible. I just noticed one thing that so on the magic clips, the off switch is facing up, and to turn it on you flip it down. On the Kemeis, it's the other way. So on these clones, the same thing. And these pieces of crap, just a push button. Alright, so there you have it. Sound comparison and weight comparison, both in grams and pounds or ounces. Alright, peace.